Hi folks, Mike Serant. I'm the master formulator and manufacturer of MicroLife organic fertilizers. We've been manufacturing organic fertilizers since 1988, the second oldest continuous fertilizer manufacturer in the country. And it all started back in 1988 with my mom and I, and we came up with the MicroLife 624. This is the original first MicroLife. And it is also our #1 seller year after year. And since the MicroLife 624, we have actually expanded to 30 different types of MicroLifes, all for express purposes. What you're seeing is just a small part of what we do. But MicroLife 624, I love all my children. I call my products my children. I love them all the same, but MicroLife 624 has a special place in my heart because is our first one that we came up with, and it's the #1 seller. It goes in hay meadows, turf grass, sports fields, vegetable gardens, flower gardens, perennials, ground covers, everything. Every plant that we've ever seen it applied on, every soil we've ever seen it applied on, it works no matter where you are. If you're in North Dakota, South Texas, South Beach, Louisiana, Austin, Dallas, Houston, California, Oregon, it just flat works. And the reason why MicroLife works so well is because it always follows natural law, the way Mother Nature intended us to grow our plants, and it follows the laws of nutrition. So the MicroLife 64, multi-purpose, used on any plants. It will never burn. You can eat it. Does it taste great? Well, maybe not so much, but dogs do like it. And if your dog does eat it, don't worry about it. It's just really expensive dog food, right? So this is just a great product to use. It's loaded with 72 different strains and species of beneficial microorganisms, has over 90 minerals and elements. It's going to feed your soil and your plants properly. And when you have a healthy soil and a healthy plant, guess what? You've got a beautiful garden. So MicroLife 64 for all your needs.